Meet my custom-built streaming case, a portable powerhouse designed for professional live streaming. Compact, efficient, and ready to go in just 15 minutes. This isn't just a case, it's a fortress for your streaming setup, built tough to protect your gear, no matter where you go. At first glance, it looks like a rugged hard case. But take a closer look, and you'll see it's so much more. This is a fully customized streaming solution built with precision on the outside to make your workflow seamless. Today, we are showcasing a one-of-a-kind custom streaming case, a fully portable, pre-wired solution designed to make live streaming faster, easier, and more professional than ever. Let's get started. Welcome to Gadgets Pod, where every review is backed by real use and tested insights. From smart tech to the latest gadgets, we bring you hands-on reviews you can trust. This is Gadgets Pod, tried and tested. One of the standout features of this custom streaming case is its heavy-duty latches, designed for both security and easy access. The special lip and compression mechanism create a tight seal, but with a simple pull, you can open it easily. Now, let's see what's hidden inside this custom case. Are you ready? With just one pull, the lid lifts, and the secret is revealed. And there it is, everything you need for pro-level live streaming, neatly packed and ready for action. Everything's set and ready to roll. This setup doesn't just look good, it performs at the highest level. And it's all packed in this single case. As we take a closer look, the interior of the case is optimized for efficiency. The lid side houses a 7-inch LED monitor, designed for easy access to your feed. It's perfectly placed for real-time monitoring, ensuring you stay on top of your stream at all times. This compact 7-inch display provides a clear view of your stream, seamlessly connecting to your switcher for monitoring without adding extra clutter to your workspace. With this setup, all your monitoring needs are right here on the lid. You don't need additional gear, just plug in, and you're ready to monitor in style. Turning to the base of the case, we see the ATEM Mini Pro nestled neatly beneath this custom-cut acrylic top. This design maximizes the space inside, ensuring that all input and output ports are easily accessible for quick connections and smooth control. By placing the ATEM Mini Pro over the acrylic top, we've kept everything within easy reach while maintaining a clean, organized space. The ports and switches are laid out in a way that ensures a fast, efficient setup. On the right, we have 4 HDMI video input ports for seamless camera connections, as well as the power switch for the ATEM Mini Pro. You'll also find the 3.5mm audio input jack, giving you easy integration for your audio sources. On the top left side, we've got 3 power switches. One for the main 220V power, another for the 12V power, and the third for controlling the cooling fans beneath the acrylic top, ensuring your setup stays cool under pressure. Just below the power buttons, you'll find the HDMI output and LAN inputs for smooth streaming. And to top it off, we've included 2 USB ports, one for 4G, 5G USB dongles for the router, and the other for charging your devices on the go. Under the acrylic top of this custom setup is where all the magic happens. Beneath the sleek surface lies a powerful system of devices working together to make your live stream smooth and reliable. There's a GL-iNet router providing fast, seamless connectivity for the ATEM Mini Pro, your laptop, and mobile devices. An HDMI splitter lets you send the ATEM's output to both a monitor and an external display at the same time, giving you flexibility and control. A 12V power system drives 2 cooling fans to keep the setup cool, even during long sessions, and a USB power hub keeps everything running, including the router, splitter, and a handy USB charging port on top. Everything is neatly arranged and ready to perform, ensuring a clean and efficient setup every time. There's also a dedicated chamber for neatly storing your power cables, keeping them tangle-free and easy to access. This hidden feature ensures everything stays organized and ready to go. Now, let's take a look at the back of the case, where every connection has been carefully planned for quick and easy access. Here, you'll find 2 power inputs, one for the main 220V supply and the other for powering the ATEM Mini Pro directly. To keep the setup cool, we've added dual cooling fans with strategically placed vents for optimal airflow, ensuring everything runs smoothly even during demanding sessions. Now it's time to bring this custom streaming case to life. let's get the setup powered on. First, we'll grab the 220V power cable and the ATEM Mini Pro power adapter from the dedicated cable chamber. Next, we'll connect them to their dedicated ports on the back of the case. This design makes setup quick and effortless. Now, we'll connect the other ends to a 220V power supply, ensuring both the setup and the ATEM Mini Pro are ready to go. With everything connected, we'll turn on the setup using the switches conveniently placed on the top of the base. One switch powers the entire case, while another powers the ATEM Mini Pro. And just like that, the entire streaming setup is powered up and ready to go. Efficient, organized, and incredibly simple to use. But this is just the beginning. Now that the setup is powered and ready, the real magic happens when we put it to work. In the next video, we'll dive into the working of this setup, connecting cameras, audio, and internet, and showing you how it all comes together to create a seamless live stream. So, stay tuned, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to catch the next part of this video. You won't want to miss it. This is Gadgets Pod, tried and tested.